I became an OBGYN in women's health from the very beginning. I've always wanted to be a physician. Growing up in Florida, I had a unique appreciation for science. I used to dissect yard animals, and I was very fascinated by science. I always did very well in school. But what was unique about medicine is you got to go to work every day and do something that meant the world to somebody. I love that I get to go to a job that changes all the time. And also selfishly, I love that I'm a part of a family, that I didn't have to give birth to their child, but I feel like I'm part of their family. It's wonderful. It's a great field to be in. When I was growing up in medicine, the physician sort of told you what you had to do, and you had to kind of go along with that. It's a very paternalistic approach. But ever since I started the practice about 14 years ago, I've always been engaging the patient in understanding the condition that she's facing, the symptoms that she's struggling with, not as the person who tells her what to do, but helping her to come to the decisions that work best for her and that she'll be happiest to live with. We hide all the scary stuff from the room. We give you cookies and snacks in the lobby. We've got the decor so it's interesting, and in a way it kind of distracts you from why you're here, because we really want you to come and not be terrified. So I would want patients to know they can come and really somewhat enjoy the experience, but not have a bad experience. It doesn't have to be terrifying. So after I turned 40, I decided that I was gonna have to turn over a whole new leaf to my lifestyle. So now I spend a lot of my time, obviously, with my family. I have a fabulous husband and adorable children, but I also do a lot of organic gardening, and not only is that healthy because the foods are great, but also it's therapeutic, getting out there with my plants and cultivating them and trying to make it look pretty at the same time. I've recently embraced a more vegan lifestyle. I've always been a vegetarian, but I'm telling you, it's fabulous. You do feel a lot better. So if you want advice on a better way to eat, then I'm your girl.